Emotions that so many people around the league are feeling right now. That is a shot of LeBron James. After the Lakers game in Philadelphia last night, they stayed in the Philadelphia area. They flew back this morning, and they learned of the news while they were on their way back to L.A. As Young Masuk, our ESPN reporter in Los Angeles, reported earlier, the entire plane was just devastated by the news, as you might expect them to be. And there was LeBron less than 12 hours after he passed Kobe Bryant for third on the NBA's all-time scoring list in his second season with the Lakers before he gets back to L.A. One of his mentors passes away in a helicopter crash.
Oh,